Okay. Hello, no. So good day, no. Today, we're going to have this topic to comparing fractions. No, we're done with this last time. Last time when we had our class. Okay, so we learned about how to compare fractions, diba? Diba? We have our rules nga to ang gina follow on how to share, on how to tawag na to ani, on how to compare fractions, no? So uh, no, if we compare fractions, no? So na yung mga kwan diha, no? So if we compare fractions with like denominators, okay, to compare fractions with the same denominators, just compare their denominators. So that's what we had last time, di ba? If we compare fractions with the same denominators, we have to compare the numerators ang sa taas. It means kung kinsa tong dako nga numerators, siya tong dako, di ba? Siya tong larger. If di ba, we have learned this one, no? And then how to compare fractions with with like numerators and unlike denominators. So atong nasayran pag if fractions are having the same numerators and they don't have the same denominators, so compare na to ang pinakadako nga denominator mo to siyang gamay. Okay? So so do not be confused. Okay? So sa mga illustration, no, we can say that one, no, nga 1/6 and 1/8. 1/6 is bigger compared to 1/8, no? Okay, because pag hiwa ana, no, kung maghiwa-hiwa kag mga something like chocolates, cakes, no, na. So makita na to kung dako gani ang denominator gamay na siya compare sa gamay og denominator. So mao na siya, okay? So kana siya, no? So 5/8 compared to 5/6, no, they have the same numerators, but but their denominators are not the same. And now, if the denominator is big, and it means gamay na siya. So mas dako tong gamay og denominator. So now, no, prepare your ball pen and notebook. Okay? So prepare a pen and pencil or a notebook in your mathematics. So now we will have a quiz. Okay? So test one, no, circle the fractions that are greater. So all you have to do, okay, do not draw. Okay? Do not draw. Just copy 1/3 and 1/4. Ayaw na ninyo i-draw ng kanang illustration diya. No, circle the fractions that are greater. Okay? All you have to do is to ang inyong buhaton 1/3 and 1/4. Kopyahon ra na ninyo 1/3 number 1, 1/3 1/4. And now you will circle, no, because i-compare man na sila asa man diha ang dako. So ingon na, so nakuha, go. So test 1, 1 2 1 2 3 4. So I'll give you time to answer, no. Ayaw na i-draw, just copy. For example, number 1, 1/3 and 1/4 kinsa may dako. So linginan nimo. Number 2, 1/2 and 1/3, no, kung sa dako na sa ilaha, inyo rang linginan, no. So do not draw, no. Ikopya lang ng a fraction diha, pero ayaw na i-draw ng kanang kana siya. Okay? So I'll give you time in this one. I'll give you 2 minutes, no, para mag answer ana. Okay? Ang nakasulat sa Bible are all true ba ya? So magamit kag mga Here's the answer. Okay, narang answer. Okay, number one. So, nata diha, no? Test one, no? So, mao ni siyang test one, no? Kina siya diri, test one ni siya. Okay, number one, one-third, no? One-third is greater than one-fourth. Okay, number two, one-half is greater than one-third. And number three, two-third is greater than two-fourth. And 2 fifth is greater than 210, no? Sa test 2 pod, okay, 3/8 is smaller compared to 3/6. Number 2, 5/16 is smaller compared to 5/8. And number 3, 2/16 is smaller compared to 2/6. And then number 4 is 4/16 is smaller than 4/6. Okay. So next, no, this is test 3. Okay, so test 3, circle the fractions that are greater. Okay, same lang gihapon. Okay, so test 3, butang ninyo dito kuan lang gihapon, no? Same lang gihapon ang inyong buhaton, no? So number 1, no, 1/6 and 1/4, no? Kinsa man di ang ko sa ilaha imuhang i-encircle, and then do not draw the representations. Okay?
Okay, naanay mo Jules tanan.
Okay, so let's proceed.
Okay, we're done, no? So,
Okay, so test 4.
kauban na sa question.
Okay, so sir, circle the fractions that are smaller, no? Same lang gihapon ang inyong buhaton. Okay, I'll give you time. Okay, so next, no? So the answers, no, na ang answer dariya. Okay, so test 3 kana siya diya. Number 1, no, 1/4 is greater than 1/6. Number 2, 4/8 is greater than 4/16. And number 3, 10/12 is greater than 10/12 is greater than 10/16. Okay? So our 10/16 is smaller than 10/12, no? So number 4, 3/5 is greater than 3/16, no? Here, smaller. 1/6 is smaller than 1/4. Number 2, 2/6 is smaller than 2/3. Number 3, 1/2 is 1/12 is smaller than 1/5, and then 2/16 is smaller than 2/3. So did you get it? No, that's how to compare fractions. And the next topic that we're going to have, no, we're going to have finding equivalent fractions. No, equivalent fractions. What do we mean by equivalent fractions? No. So thanks for listening, and thanks for joining in this video. Thanks for your cooperation, and I'm so blessed that you cooperate in this topic. Okay, so God bless.